Elangers introduces FAIRY, a state-of-the-art full-field digital mammography system. Elangers digital mammography, comprising of direct conversion amorphous selenium flat panel detector, has paved the way to a full-field digital mammography system for high-resolution imaging. The control panel, being the heart of the system, controls the X-ray tube output through the technique factors. The parameters like APR or AEC can be selected quickly to meet the desired requirements. To ensure the necessary image quality with the lowest possible dose, the technologist can select the optimum kV depending upon the density of the breast. The equipment automatically selects a suitable filter for best image quality. Based upon the density of the breast, one can set the technique factors in milliampere seconds. By the appropriate selection of these technique factors, one can produce images of high diagnostic value. During a routine mammogram, each of the breasts will be imaged separately with different views of each breast. The first standard view is of craniocaudal, which is taken from above a horizontally compressed breast and also facilitates a lower gantry position for wheelchair patients. In this, the platform is elevated at the level of the inframammary fold. Due to the fully isocentric gantry with its effortless motorized movements, there is no need to reposition the breast for taking different X-ray projections. As such, the other standard view of mediolateral oblique, which is at 45 degrees, is taken from the side and at an angle of diagonally compressed breast. For positioning of the specialized lateromedial or mediolateral views, tube arm is rotated at 90 degrees in either direction. For the other specialized caudocranial or FB view, the patient will face the unit with one leg on either side of the tube head. This view is possible at a 180-degree angular position and is done to improve visualization of lesions due to reduced object to film distance. In this, height of the tube arm is adjusted so that superior border of the breast is in contact with the image receptor. Good compression of the breast is one of the essentials of an effective mammography, and its low pressure paddles with fine adjustment of force makes the test comfortable. A magnification stand is engaged for magnification view, and the automatic compression release further adds to patient comfort. The phantom body, which is shaped to represent a partially compressed breast, is used to determine if the mammographic system can detect small structures that are important in the detection of breast cancer. Elangers FAIRY is also compatible with a digital stereotactic biopsy device. As outstanding image quality is critical to breast biopsy procedures, as such, the biopsy system offers excellent performance for clinical confidence. It's an efficient way to provide an accurate diagnosis as quickly as possible. As the light beam reflected from the LBD mimics the X-ray beam, one can set up the field to be exposed prior to X-ray exposure. A mammography technologist operates a mammography unit to produce images of the breast for diagnostic purposes under the direction of a physician or a radiologist. MAMMOGRAPhy-FAIRY comes with an integrated system control that offers a unique ergonomic design and an efficient user interface. Patient Registration Module is an integrated patient management system which stores complete and relevant information. Image acquisition is a single-stage process in which the image is automatically transferred to the acquisition workstation following exposure. Image post-processing has revolutionized diagnosis and greatly facilitates treatment selection and accurate planning of procedures by enhancing the image quality, thereby increasing the accuracy of interpretation. The technologist selects a certain task to work on, retrieves the images pertinent to the selected task, performs the appropriate post-processing procedures like magnification or zoom, and generates additional results to be stored. In many cases, this may reduce to take additional exposures, saving time and increasing patient comfort. The other imaging post-processing capabilities on an acquisition workstation, such as 90-degree rotation mode or panning mode, enhances clinical evaluation of digital mammographs. Image post-processing also optimizes several tasks typically performed after image acquisition in preparation for the image interpretation. In this, the size of the image is processed to optimize visualization of the data displayed and making diagnosis easier. Similarly, image acquisition is done for MLO positions and images are automatically transferred to the acquisition workstation following exposure. The breasts are best viewed as symmetric organs. Comparison of the right breast to the left breast is done for evaluation of symmetry. Measuring lesion sizes accurately in mammographic images is important for correlation of mammography with adjunctive techniques. This provides measurement of distance in real space. Due to the prompt review of images through post-processing, it facilitates a quicker overall exam time for the patient. After the technologist checks the mammograms, making sure they are clearer enough for the radiologist to read, she can either print the hard copy through any high-resolution dry film laser printer or can send the desired images to the additional workstation. Due to the advanced additional post-processing digital workstation, the mammograms can be seen and interpreted by a radiologist right away. You can even run queries to pinpoint the cases and studies you are interested in. The digital images and data after retrieval from the acquisition workstation can be displayed, analyzed and processed by the radiologist to look for any changes or abnormalities. As MAMMOGRAPhy-FAIRY is a fully DICOMized system, it can be integrated with any DICOM compatible modality like HIS, RIS or PACS for image archiving and sharing. The advantages and the rapidly occurring technological developments has established MAMMOGRAPhy-FAIRY as a mainstay of breast evaluation. Last but not the least, Elanger's full-field digital mammography is covered by the company's leading warranty and service program for tension-free usage.